Want to know how to uninstall Remitly on your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your iPhone or Android, and once you're there, you should be provided with this app icon right here if you have installed it. So you can just simply hold up your app icon, hit towards it, app info, and once you're there, just simply select uninstall. That should be right here on the bottom. So next thing is you can just simply hit towards the Play Store as well. Just simply go towards the Play Store and make sure you search up the Remitly app. And once you have searched it up, here you can see right beside open, you should be seeing uninstall. So you can just simply select it. So once you get uninstalled, you can just simply confirm again to uninstall and you should be good to go. And after a while, your Remitly should be uninstalled. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily uninstall Remitly from your Android or iPhone. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.